An update released today regarding the latest body cam footage. On 1/3/2023, the Hancock County Sheriff's Office in Indiana released information detailing the traffic stop of murder suspect Bryan Kohberger on December 15, 2022. Indiana State Police did the same. The Hancock County Sheriff's Office traffic stop contained more statements from the suspect and his father than did the ISP traffic stop. For this reason, the Hancock County Sheriff's Office delayed releasing video of the traffic stop until investigating authorities in Idaho could ensure releasing the video would not jeopardize their criminal investigation. This afternoon, on January 4th, 2023, we learned releasing the video will not hinder the investigation in Idaho and are therefore releasing the video to the media.
Hello. How you doing? How y'all doing? Hello. How you doing? How y'all doing today? Good, good. Take a look at your driver's license real quick if I could. See, he's right up on that van, man. He was right up on the back end of that van. Pulled you over for tailgating. Is this your car? Okay. Cool. Where are you headed?
Well, we're coming from WSU, and we're standing early.
What's WSU?
University, basically. We were listening to this incident that was occurring up there. There was a shooting incident. That is SWAT team area.
So we're, okay, I'm having a hard time hearing you because of the traffic. So you're coming from Washington State University?
Yeah.
And you're going where? Oh.
We're going to be going to Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we're slightly punched because we're driving for hours.
Hours, days.
Hours. We're driving. Well,
Yeah.
almost a day.
Okay. And what did you say about some SWAT team thing? Or
Yeah,
something?
there was a mass shooting and everything. We don't know if it was
Where?
This was on essentially what ended up happening was
Interesting.
well, it's horrifying because he's supposed to be university, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. So y'all work at the university there?
I actually do work there.
Oh.
His PhD in criminal
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I hadn't heard about that incident. Just yesterday, or?
No, this happened this morning. About an hour and a half ago. We're still wrapping it up for investigating. I'm not sure there's two shooters because they did shoot somebody.
Let's see.
And then you don't know about that actually. They were there with shooting out of the window or something.
Interesting. Wow. Okay. So do me a favor, don't follow too close, okay?
Oh,
all right. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe.